Hi teacher, I am Joel and this is my activity about my favorite movie. Today I want to tell you about my favorite movie. As a lover of adventure and sci-fi movies, my favorite movie is Interstellar. It was directed by the great Christopher Nolan. Interstellar told a history about space travel and the search for life on our planet. It starred Matthew McConaughey, who in the movie we meet as Cooper. Cooper is a family man who ventures into space in search of future for his two children and all mankind. I remember I saw this movie for the first time last year. I was with my girlfriend and we were impressed by the suspense and obviously the beautiful landscapes that the movie present. Interstellar was released in 2014 and it is a movie that I will always recommend. Its cast is full of movie stars and also it is a long movie. Every minute was amazing. Every time I watch it, I discovered things that I didn't know before. It was very interesting the way the movie progressed and how the characters were looking for planets that were habitable for humanity. This movie became my favorite movie for all its incredible essence. Also, because I saw it for the first time with someone very special to me. We really like it. That the movie explains scientific and incredible things like black holes. Murphy's Law is something I will never forget thanks to this work. And remember, if something can happen, it will happen.